Andrew, tell us a little bit about Incredible Days, what its mission is, its mission for missions, what it does, and for folks who are looking for an experience, a missional experience for their youth, why should they turn to Incredible Days?
Yeah. So Incredible Days offers facilitated programming that engages people of all ages, but we work with a lot of young people in mission work. And so in the past, that's looked like actual in person short term missions. But in the last 8 months, it's been a lot of digital engagement. And we're really excited to be offering virtual mission trips right now. And I know we've talked a lot about the use of digital tools today. I think one of the things that Incredible Days does really well is offer deep, meaningful, spirit filled, progressive faith based engagement to churches and youth groups and intergenerational groups and adult groups to do mission work from your own home right now. And we know that that's a serious safety concern for people. And so the ability to jump into a topic and do the educational engagement that we talked about and give people meaningful time to consider how they can be relational in their communities and what the needs are beyond the walls of their church, I think are really important. And I also know that a lot of youth group leaders are struggling to think about, oh my God, winter is coming. We can't meet outdoors right now. How am I going to fill meaningful time virtually for the next 3 months over Zoom? Um, and I think mission engagement is a really great way to do it. Incredible Days is not the only organization offering opportunities in that space, and certainly creative people are coming up with individual offerings. There are other organizations that do it, but I would urge you to take the opportunity and see it as an opportunity. Do this mission work now. Do meaningful mission engagement with young people through the digital space today, because I think it can be really powerful.
Yeah.